Okay, so while you're taking notes, you are going to copy this exactly on your paper. So you're going to write Unit 2, students will be able to find domain and range from a table, order pairs mapping in the graph, evaluate a function, etc. Okay, you also are going to make a box that looks like this, where you have domain and range right next to each other, and the line. So what I suggest you to do is, while you're writing this down, pause the video, write this on your paper, and then press play when you're ready to copy. So you should have already written this on your paper. I'm not going to type down what the calculator tricks are at the moment. That's going to be later on. So we're going to go into domain, and on the domain is always going to be from the left to the right, okay? And that is why I drew that picture of an arrow. So when we're dealing with graphs, you're always going to have to worry about it from the left to the right. And with the range, you're always going to go from the bottom to the top. I wrote it down so you can know that it's looking at the y-axis, and that is why you're going to write these symbols on the end. Alright, so a function is when x does not repeat or passes the vertical line test. Evaluate is another word for substitution. And that is another way of saying plug it in. Discrete is when a graph is not connected. So on the right, I'm going to draw a quick picture. So it would be something like with dots. Okay. Continuous is when the graph is connected. Again, I am going to draw a picture. Feel free to draw these pictures as big as you want. And that'll be continuous. All right, dependent is going to be your y values. Independent is going to be your x values. A scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables. Arithmetic sequences is when you have a common difference. An example would be like f of x equals 2x plus 9. And then all real numbers is when everything works. Including decimals, fractions, negatives, 0, and positive. All right, that's it for notes.